What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get paid for just signing up and for things that you do daily. All you have to do is stay with me, but if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel first, because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, before we get started, keep in mind that you need to sign up through my link that you find right here below. It is my referral link, of course, and that is how you get paid by just signing up. Okay, so that is really important, so you just don't come back and say you didn't get paid, because you do need to do it through my link below here. And of course we will make money with other activities inside there that we already do in our daily life there. So with that being said, let's get started to have a look at see what this is all about. The site that you are going to sign up for is Timebucks, timebucks.com, and there is a video right here when we arrived, so let's have a quick look at it first before we proceed.
What kinds of things do you do on a daily basis? Watch videos? Rant about something you hate? View memes and funny photos? Share your opinion on the terrible movie you just watched? Take selfies? Grow a beard? Draw things? Share news with friends on Facebook? Give your opinion on things? Maybe...
Okay, so I'm going to stop the video here because you can have a look at it at your own pace here. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see here each day they actually run a competition where the top 5 earners win a nice bonus. You can start earning instantly, and that's exactly what I did here. I'm going to show you the members area, and no approval process required for new sign-ups. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. Then we have the referral program. We have a multi-leveled referral program, so you will earn commission on everyone you refer and everyone they refer to. So it is 5 levels deep, which is really nice and unusual here. They do have weekly payouts, and it is via PayPal or Bitcoin, friendly support stuff. And if I just show you a little quick here with the FAQ, here are actually also another benefit. It is that most of the networks, they pay only in gift cards, but Timebucks pay you with real cash here, okay? Payment sent weekly via PayPal, so you can buy stuff online. They don't have any approval process, as I said. You can see your earnings real time. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. And you can see here you get paid with watching videos, install free apps, follow people on Instagram, complete service. So I'm going to actually leave the FAQ here and instead show you how it looks inside the members area. So this is how it looks when you sign up. When you arrive here, this is the earnings, referrals, bonuses, and the wallet here. And if I just, this is the main site, okay? So then you go to referrals here, and if I had some referrals here, you would have seen a few here actually, but since I just signed up, I don't have anyone here for now. This is what interest is. This is actually what we are interested in most here, the earn section. So you can see here, first off, we do have surveys. There is some content. You can complete your profile. You will get paid if you sign up for Neobucks, uploading a profile picture. Here is the video section, so it loads here. So basically you can see here that all you need to do is watch at least 60 seconds. So if I go here to the watch, it will ask me click here to watch the video. I do need to verify that I'm not a robot, and it should start to play here. Now I turned off the sound. I don't know what this video is. So I'm going to let it play actually here, so you can see in real time that this will change here. The refer section, you can see here, as I said, in 5 levels. It starts with 15%, it goes to down to the 5th level at 1%. And of course, you can see here you can give a friend $1, so that is also really nice. And that is actually what you make by just signing up. You give $1 straight away into your account. But there's definitely a lot of more possibilities. Look at there, it just changed now, so I made 17 with that. So that is how fast you can make money with it. As I said, you won't get rich with it, but you will definitely make a few extra bucks on your spare time there. So this is actually how you make money with a referral program. Before I proceed here, and then we have the offer walls. Definitely much more opportunities. Here is vote for the best phone, iPhone 8 Plus for example, submit valid phone number, you receive and you redeem your points there. And there is tons of offers here, as you can see. The mining, I actually haven't had a look at it at all here. So here is some tasks that you can do, shop inquiry, or you can verify whether the person still works at a given company. We do have the social, so by just subscribing here you will actually get a payout, okay? There is 2 right now available, so I just go there. Let me just go and subscribe to that channel. Boom, it is for time bucks, so I should definitely make. All right, there you see. So I made actually again money by just subscribing to the channels there, and this is how it works. So there is also the free BTC, cashback is also available if you want to shop online. Here is the role, free money. In this task you will get free money literally, and all you have to do is click the roll button and a random number will be generated. So depending on what number you get, you will be paid out according to the payout table. So really simple and easy to just do it, okay? Even if you don't win, you will always earn a minimum of 0.002, and you will also earn 50% of whatever you referrals. So there you have it, tons of opportunities actually to make money with time bucks here. And you can actually get paid for doing a video just like I do here. They do have some requirements here. It must be at least 5 minutes long and so on. So you can definitely make a review video also about it. But this is perfect to get started with. The surveys, the videos, the referral will definitely make you really quick there. And some bonuses there also, okay? Plus they have some daily extra bonus that you can make money with. Alright, so that is how you get paid for just signing up and make money with doing things that you already do in your daily life there. Now keep in mind, as I said, you do need to sign up through my link to get paid, of course, when you sign up there. So you find a link in the description below here. If you get some value out of this video, I also do appreciate if you hit the like button below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos like this on a consistent basis. Hit that notification bell also to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Alright, that's it for today. Go ahead now, sign up with the link below, and thanks a lot for watching.